Even the smallest bathroom can feel calm, elegant, and beautifully designed if you focus on the right details. One of the simplest ways to make a small bathroom look more luxurious is by using mirrors creatively. Try placing a small cosmetic mirror beside your main one. It creates a layered reflection that adds visual depth. The reflections multiply the light, make the space feel larger, and bring that soft designer touch, like something from a boutique hotel. Today, mirrors serve more than just a reflective purpose. They're one of the most thoughtful design tools in a small bathroom. You can choose a sliding mirror positioned next to the main one, or a magnifying section built directly into the glass. A built-in mirror looks sleek, minimalist, and very modern. It blends harmoniously into the interior and saves precious countertop space. However, a sliding mirror adds flexibility and individuality. It adds a functional accent that looks thoughtful and sophisticated. The mirror you choose should complement the rest of the space. If your bathroom features soft curves and natural textures, an oval or round mirror will emphasize this calm fluidity. If the lines are modern or geometric, choose a tall rectangular mirror. It will visually elongate the room and add balance. And don't overlook the frame. Matte finishes in brushed nickel, black, or light wood look sophisticated and timeless. They softly capture the light without creating glare, creating a sense of elegance and tranquility. Exactly what modern luxury looks like today. If your counter is full of different bottles and colors, that visual noise makes your bathroom feel cluttered. Replace them with matching glass or ceramic dispensers in one tone. It immediately feels calmer, more intentional, and luxurious, like every piece belongs there. This one small change makes even budget spaces look beautifully styled. Colors set the mood. Replace bright towels, rugs, and decor with soft, neutral shades, beige, ivory, or gentle gray. These tones reflect light, create balance, and make your bathroom look twice as big. A soft palette also connects every detail together, turning the space into a calm, elegant retreat you'll love every morning. The next tips are easier to try, but trust me, the very last one is the simplest and most effective. So stay till the end. You'll love how effortless it is. A mirror with a frame feels like artwork. It adds instant sophistication. Gold, wood, or black trim. Each brings character and structure to your bathroom. Use soft, warm tones or candlelight. They add dimension and make your bathroom feel like a spa. Combine contrasts like smooth stone and fluffy towel. This mix adds depth and that quiet luxury feeling designers adore. Choose one main tone, like beige or soft gray, and repeat it in different materials. Linen, glass, stone. It's cohesive, calm, and effortlessly expensive. Luxury is not about size. It's about balance, texture, and light. Even a small bathroom can look timelessly elegant. Every small detail adds warmth, style, and joy. Which trick will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd be glad to receive your like and subscription as we regularly release interesting videos.